Just fired up his truck for the first time. About ready to get a group DUI. We're gonna fucking test drive this thing.
Yeah!
Oh yeah, this is the last time we drive it in 6 months.
Back that clanking motherfucker out of here. We rolling, baby.
There it goes, baby. There it goes.
We rolling, y'all. Oh.
Feel like a big dog.
Just back into that car, but don't worry about it. It's no worries. It's all good. But anyway, peace out.
That's a small problem.
Small problem, y'all.
No headlights.
No
Don't worry
headlights.
about that.
Just punch
It's only
it.
dark.
We didn't even touch the headlights.
Drive on.